Hi everyone. So here is another property that I'm actually looking at. It has great potential compared to the others. So far, right now, it is 1830 square feet. It is an 89103, so it's by Spring Valley area. It has 4.2. 4.2. So let's take a look around. Ignore the curtains, the original curtains. It does have a little smell to it, but once you open up the windows, air it out for a day or two, it'll be just fine, or just, light up some candles. I would enclose this. So wall this way, and then that way, exactly where you're standing right there. I would put this back, shave it just a little bit, not fully, just to where maybe up to here. So for access this way. In this room, in the living area, family room, dining room, I would enclose this, make this into two. I wouldn't worry so much about the cracks and stuff like that. I would want to maybe paint the brick, and then close this off. So I would just put maybe a plywood just to cover the fireplace, just for liability purposes, and just for safety. Check this kitchen out though. Look at that, original. I don't even know what this is called here, but it seems like you can just take it off. That's what I would do. Paint it. Check for the leak. Why is this leaking? Leave the countertops. So leave the countertops. The appliances look great. They don't have to match. I like the hardware that they chose. It's super clean. And the refrigerator, because they're wondering. So yeah, popcorn ceiling. I wouldn't touch it. I would leave it alone. Let's actually take a look at, where are we? Garage. Ah, here they are. I was actually looking for where the washer and dryer is at, so this is great. I would leave this. I don't know. Well, there's enough room here to want to convert the garage if needed. It's exposed to the outside. I don't know what that is. It's going to be a ton of work, but for the inside, I like it. We can just stick to the inside, actually. So 3 rooms over here. I would charge $800 per room. It already has 2 bathrooms, and there's some linen closets here. Not very necessary. And then here is a full bath off the hallway. I would get rid of the attachment there for the bidet. I don't think, yeah, I wouldn't do anything there. I wouldn't do anything at all over here. This is great. Yeah, leave it like that. And it has 4 bedrooms. Let's start over here. This is the master. It does have an ensuite. Has an ensuite. So identical to the other one. It has double vanities. I wouldn't touch anything here. The light is original. It works. Great. Awesome. The remaining side, oh, that's a big closet. So here is the second bedroom. I love the doors, how they painted it. It's hardwood too. I like the trim, and it plays a contrast with the white paint. I would just replace, obviously, the curtains here. Leave the curtain rods, thank you very much. I would just, yeah, it would just be the curtains here. Light, ceiling fan, smoke detector is right behind you. I would put a queen size. So I would do a queen size this way. So queen is 60 by 80 inches, actually. So just keep that in mind. And nightstand this way, or nightstand here. Closet looks good. The doorknob, I would change into something electronic. That's pretty much the only thing here. The switch is already here. It's just a matter of installing a light. So same thing over here. It's very identical to the one previous. It's just the light that it needs. I love the flooring. Again, I like the contrast. Curtains. I will replace the curtains. You would leave it?
No expense.
Okay, so here's the third. Are we in the third? Fourth. 1, 2, 3. Okay, fourth. Okay, I think it was just meant for maybe a lamp that you plug in. I think that's what it is. Yeah, it's probably going to be over there. But I would prefer something where it's ceiling fan and light situation. Yeah, nothing here. Nothing to put here. Curtain rod and then curtains rather. I don't know what this is, why it's frosted like that. Oh, okay. So it's kind of like a sticker applique that they put, but I wouldn't replace the window. Yeah, cool. So the problem is we're adding 3 bedrooms and we have 1 common bathroom. So that's a total of 7 bedrooms. So what we can actually do is make, just like the other homes, actually make the master bathroom be a common bathroom. In order for us to do that, so the master bathroom is actually on this, in this door. What we can do is actually enclose this part to put a wall this way all the way through. That becomes just a regular room, nothing ensuite, nothing attached to it. That would make then this be the hallway for everyone else to access the full bathroom. So this way, we don't have to look for a space in the house to actually build another bathroom. We're just utilizing what is already existing. That's what we can do. Now, for this, oh my gosh, okay, depending on how big this is, we can actually convert this walk-in closet into another bedroom. Wouldn't you guys like to know how? Okay, so I would keep this door here. This would be the access. I would bust this wall and put up a window. Now, it may seem a little narrow, but what we're going to do is actually take a little piece off of here, which is one of the existing bedrooms, maybe just this way. So move this wall a few feet this way. That's what I would do. What do you guys think? How would you guys solve this dilemma? We already have 2 bathrooms. We know how to do that. It's just a matter of adding this bedroom to make it 8. Would that be okay? Because we already have 4, and then we're adding 3 more. Do we need another one? You know, it's entirely up to you. Let's actually look at the backyard too. The backyard is super minimal. It has that fresh feeling about it. So again, we're going to enclose this. It's going to be 1 room. This could be their egress. This is their access to the backyard. So the backyard is just pavement. It has the cobble brick patio. It's low maintenance. That's what it is. I would get rid of the dead trees. I don't know if there's irrigation. I would check that. I wouldn't keep this. It's very uneven. I wouldn't do anything here. There's a lime tree, or it's a citrus tree of some sort that is fine over there. I'll keep that. Here's a shed over here too. I would lock this up. I wouldn't want anybody to access the shed. It's someone half done. So that's what I would do here. And leave it alone as is. I wouldn't put a pool. I wouldn't put a spa. No chairs, nothing. No backyard seating here, just to eliminate congregation, people to congregate and have an excuse to actually hang out. So guys, if you have any questions, like I mentioned before, if you guys are thinking about entering into the Las Vegas market, let me know. I can walk properties for you. I'll link my information down below. And until next time, keep it cash flowing.